Fanton,
Lead the way.
my brother. Rise, one step at a time. We are rise, and give the wicked them a surprise.
Casino soccer pussy, you know. And the musical career mash up. Nobody no want to see him, Jamaican people, burn him out. You have one named Derek Morgan now. Him suck old. Him say how him suck. And me see them a glorify him.
Yo, my people, you have a DJ named Ganggoolie. I want to hottest thing right now. You understand? I want to stay there and play blind and deaf to the artist there. I'm going to run the whole of 2025. And the dumbest me not talk, you understand?
Guardian, yo, see the Guardian, yo, see my bad boyfriend,
Yeah.
Yo, I go on Lion for TV,
That is
viral. See the baddest boy you're appealing and I'm being himself.
Welcome to Lion Foot TV at the right place, so don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness, speak up on yourself. Welcome to Lion Foot TV, another man of peace. We sit at the violence of the streets. Yeah, man, brand new week, the 21st of October, brand new week. Big up all who live to see it. Life of the greatest gift. As I may say, yeah, man, right now, I still celebrate my 23rd anniversary. Saturday gone. Yeah, 23 years and with wifey, you know, 3 kids. You see me, so you don't know life of the greatest gift. Man and woman have to multiply. As I may say, yeah, man. So in this vlog, my viewers and subscribers, you know, we have CD banging and endorse Ganggoolie. I say, yo, don't sleep on the artist career. Ganggoolie a bad artist, very creative. Me can tell you that. Since obviously CD banging a game the highlight, a good look. You know, CD banging a real youth, who's also giving me an highlight as well with my song Now Stop Try. You know what I mean? You know, CD banging an artist himself, producer, promoter, scene. Yes, radio presenter. See me? And we have Ganggoolie himself too. And also I call out, I highlight the double standard how Jamaican people are. Not just Jamaican people, still the whole world and the double standards. But when it comes to Jamaica, them burn out one thing and still support certain people. It's like if you have money, you can get away with certain things. And that Ganggoolie I highlight. So we're going to hear what I want and what I want. You see? And we have Busha Yeng and Ragga Ruggie. Busha Yeng, my Dan from Pienland. See? Ragga Ruggie and Busha Yeng in the Brixton straight. Pick up yourself, Ragga Ruggie, Busha Yeng. I love that. You see me? Yeah, man. And with all these vlogs, you know, we have artist spotlight. We are shining some spotlight to the pan. Unstoppable Fyah featuring Fanton Mojah. They have a brand new video titled Rise. See, so we're going to look a snippet of that. When you can go check it out and give them the support. Yeah, man. Blessed.
I watch them on the German represent for Lion Foot TV. You're real G. Tell them on the strongest soldiers get the hardest fight. Lion Foot Patriots out there.
Rise, one step at a time. We are rise, and give the wicked them a surprise.
Yes, man, rise. So that's the voice of Unstoppable Fyah. Seeing? Like I hear Fanton Mojah forwarding. Yes, not the chorus.
Rise, one step at a time. Rise, and give the wicked them a surprise.
Yes, man, rise and get the wicked them a surprise. We're going to go into piece man the visuals later down in the vlog, so stay tuned. Seeing? First, watch Ragga Ruggie and Busha Yeng in the Brixton Street. Yeah. Now I'm going to see them. I love to see this.
Costume, Monah. See my Guardian, yo, see the Guardian, yo, see my bad boyfriend,
Yeah.
Yo, I go on Lion for TV, viral. See the baddest boy you're appealing and I'm being himself. Push him on, turn on the phone.
Where the blood clot
Yo, I go on, costume, no costume. The sister, yo, I go on, this is when you're famous. Yo, this is when you're hot. Hot, get up, yo, get off of that. Ragga Ruggie, God, get through the Vauxhall Market. Boom, 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 boom.
Busha Yeng, come on, them boom, boom,
Ragga Ruggie, man, really love you. Yeah, look like you. Don't think that be a land. Ragga the girl, more ragga. Ragga the girl, more ragga. Ragga the girl, more ragga. It's a block that. What is performance? That will never die. Don't think that. I don't have a soul market.
Hey, yo, this big a jar to be the big myself it as boss. Busha Yeng, real Dan, real bad man. One of the first man to put a piece in my hand. Hey, we have the whole of them thing then a singing on the so hear them. Yeah, man, but I don't know, Ragga Ruggie just want people to have fun and smile. And Busha Yeng, a real bad man from Penland, but a genuine brother, clean heart and a loving preacher. You see me? Yeah, man, I know for we say Penland, we have to say Christian through a 2 mile. So I say stop the crime and violence, Frag City. You see me? Whole of Brixton, Kola Balena. One love, you know, one unity, one strength, one peace. You see it? Moving on now, recording artist Ganggoolie is highlighting the double standards in Jamaica and the hypocrisy. You see me? I say it's like some people burn out some people, but they must support some other people that do the same thing all because they have money. But here with Ganggoolie, I say it makes sense.
All Jamaicans, no listen to me now. Cause something wrong boy here, you know. Something not right boy. I mean, I don't want to them people here. You remember artist when named Casino? Yeah, Casino. He just up like Superman. Yeah. Casino suck up, you know. And the musical career mash up. Nobody don't want to see him, Jamaican people, burn him out. No selector and play no song for him. The producer, them used to produce him, cut left him, the manager, cut left him. Musical career mash up. You have one named Derek Morgan now. Him suck old. Him say how old him suck. And I see them a glorify him. The same set of people them, you know. I glorify him. The biggest sensation now upon the internet. And if I said nothing bad about him, people cuss you out. One warrior for him and I defend him. You see how people are parried him. We say them straight. And I see people are big him up. We say them straight. But yet still them burn out. Casino, we sucker Casino. And big up Derek Morgan, we suck good. Jamaican people. We don't show enough sense.
Alright, my viewers and subscribers, Kings and Queens and Lioness, let me know what you all think in the comment section. Or if you don't agree with Ganggoolie, we must say it makes sense. Yeah, I think Ganggoolie makes sense and him hit the nail on the head. You know what I mean? Couldn't have said it any better. Yes, what I say, but I don't know me still say, you know, each to their own. People live them life or they want to live them life. But this double standard thing and favoritism thing, yeah, man, we don't understand it. You know what I say? But let me know what you think in the comment section. Is it? Big up yourself, Ganggoolie. Now, CD banging, endorse, Ganggoolie. Don't sleep on the artist career. Bad artist, Ganggoolie, yeah, man. You're banging, I say.
Yo, my people, you have a DJ named Ganggoolie. I want to hottest thing right now. You understand? I want to stay there and play blind and deaf to the artist there. I'm going to run the whole of 2025. And the dumbest me not talk, you understand? Ganggoolie, big up yourself. People know just follow him everywhere. On the Instagram, the Facebook, and the TikTok. Just type in Ganggoolie. Ganggoolie. He might run the whole place. And I'm going to review the rhythm here right now, you understand? The rhythm here, at a long time rhythm named Orgasm, you understand? Yeah. I'm with Mr. Lexus, full 100 and them tune there, but Ganggoolie, renew back the rhythm. Give back the rhythm alive. Give back the rhythm plenty. Yo, me done talk here, man. Juggle time.
Time I did nice, you know, the rhythm and the body and Lexus I shot them time, you know, yeah, man.
Life is worth the living, so we do. 2,000 now, so we do. Walk them, walk black, and brothers. And get rich, you know your head big like bubble of them. Monah, you happy, but you something for you with them. When you walk with the crap and you heal them, they shoot and hurt them. Me links them tough like donkey job. Me links them tough like donkey job. I know me you won't figure out. At the motor lunch at 20 pound phone. Get the cream, not 31 pound phone. Me make the bricks them afloat pound phone.
Yo, me nah like that punch or that drop ya that mixer from Ganggoolie. My links them tough like donkey job bone. Yes, man. Mad sitting man. Sound good, you know. Man, I love them revive and bring back the rhythm to you. See it? Yes, man. Big with him, big with him, big with him. Big up yourself, Ganggoolie. Big up yourself, CD. Banging. And then I show that to my viewers and subscribers. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. See, and don't forget to like and share, subscribe, and click the bell. And remember, Artist Spotlight, Unstoppable Fyah, Fanton Mojah.
I give the wicked them a surprise. Wicked and cold and dreadful, and them alone won't get them belly full. You a dig one pit, you better dig two. Never know the Almighty God what you do.